Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord, there is a new show. It's not actually new, it's new to me because now it's on season 3. It's called I Am With Your Ex. So today, your girl tunes in and what's on the TV? I'm with your ex. I watch briefly and I'm like, God, I like this. I go to catch up. I find it there. It's on the first episode. It is presented by Mos Makwati. You remember the Pap Health guy who used to run like crazy on Pap Health, chasing the fathers that do not pay Pap Health? Yes, exactly. That one. So now this show is all about a person coming to confess to say, I am with your ex-partner for whatever reason. So I think Uti is people that are close. But this episode in particular just broke my heart. So now, Utule is this lady who is being raised by umamncane wakhe Unana. Unana is married to this man and they've got 3 kids. So most traditionally when you are married to a man, even if you guys can separate, you still remain married to that guy, right? So Unana decides to have a relationship. Utule rather decides to have a relationship with Mamncane Nana's husband. Yes, Unana and her husband had problems. When they had problems, Unana was just furious and could not handle her husband or be in her husband's presence. So like makunemisebenzi, like your traditional ceremonies and stuff, Unana would ask Uthule to say, hambisa ke abobaba omncane abobaba omkhulu ukudla and stuff, right? Here's the thing. While Uthule was doing that, ubabu indoda kaNana being umamncane, and remember culturally umamncane is your mom because Unana is Thule's mother's sister. So basically, the reason why she raised Uthule is because umntana kasisi wami. Uthule athi chomina indoda. Usho bani? Indoda kamamncane. They flirted. Umalume asked for the numbers because umalume manje ngisho indoda kamamncane asked for the numbers. Zakathule got the numbers and they started a relationship. They've been in a relationship for 7 years. It means that for 7 years they've been hiding this whole thing from umamncane. Worse, there is a child involved. Mamela, mina ngisamangela ukuthi hey child, hey ini ngisababaza athi azange adisclose ukuthi ubaba womntwana ubani. Uvele wathi ubaba womntwana labantu bokuhamba. In South Africa, when they put a respective term for foreign nationals in a native language, they would say abantu bokuhamba, meaning it's people that are not permanent residents of South Africa. So with that said, no one questioned her to say when is the baby daddy coming back, because they understand Duguti, they come to South Africa for jobs, for school, for whatever reason, but eventually they will go back home. So the baby daddy eventually went back home, but now the child is sick and needs traditional things. And remember, Obaba Umzulu, the things must be done. So now Uthule was there to confront Unana and tell Unana ukuthi sebukhona yena. What I hated about that interview or that confrontation is that she told umamncane wakhe, her aunt Unana, that she has a surprise for her. Unana went there excited, speaking highly of Uthule. You could see even when Uthule broke the news, Uko was in disbelief because she really, the highly that she spoke about, she really believed it. Can't Ugel ubusy now. Uthi nayindoda chomi nayindoda. I am I am with your ex, and Unana was like, which one? Because I only have 2 exes. The guy that did not marry me and the guy that is married to me. I only have 2 men. The guy that did not marry me and the guy that married me. So I've got 1 ex. Are you with the guy that did not marry me? I didn't know. I am with the father of your children. Yo! Like, guys, kwabanda wambona usisi wabantu ukuthi, like, she does not know what to say. It was like zacimi bahari, like all lights off. And then Utule was like, remember, when you get angry for a long time, and I don't know what did you expect him to eat when you took food, yeah, your normal food, your day to day, your plate. I gave him a sexual plate because that's what I needed to do. Ubega lamba. So when you were pageling him uh, food for the stomach, I was pageling him food for the whatever. Ugel said it in so much pride that unana was sukuma wati varam club whip. And I was like yo guys. But you could see Uguti, she was so emotional. Then eventually the guy entered the room, and the guy was like, you are going to sit down, you are going to listen to me, you are going to behave like a woman that I love a lot. I was like, I was not going to even sit down. You cannot talk to me that nonsense, expect me to do yebo baba while you are sleeping with my nephew, who is actually like he is 27 years older than the nephew, or 20 years older than the nephew. But nonetheless, the lady Unana decided to sit as per the husband ex whatever had suggested or had commanded. And then as she sat down, this guy was like, so the presenter almost asked Uguti, or like actually told him, Uguti, your wife says she still loves you and she still wants to continue raising the kids with you. Uthini wena wathi mina yes ngiyavuma indaba yabantwana. Athi no, but about the raising the children together, what are you saying about that part? And Uga was like, no, there's no point of no return. I love Utule. Utule is respectful. Utule is a woman for me. Unana, yes, we've got 3 kids. What I want from her is to accept this other child and allow our children to grow together. But I am going to do I'm going to make Utule an honest woman, because I am the one that broke her egg. Girl came on IHH. So because of I'm the one that decided, that opened the curtain, I am supposed to be the one that marries her. So they asked Uguti, are you marrying her? Are you loyal to her because you opened the curtain, or vele uyamthanda thi ngimuthanda ukufa? Unana, when she stood to leave, guys, what a varam club. You could see Uguti girl is speaking out of hurt, out of anger. But in her conclusion, her last words, she was like, me and Utule can never go back to where we were, because she is my daughter. I'm her mamngane, and she broke me. And then Utule was like, her closing remarks, what did she expect? She did not give this man what this man needed. And when I took the food for the stomach to him, on top of that, I gave him the food that he really needed. I was like, you are this child. So this is Utule. This guy is the first man that she has ever known. What do you think about it? This is your girl, Adisebe D. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.